How to automate your business for passive income. Free webinar class. Hey there! Imagine your business making money, even while you sleep. Sounds impossible? Well, it's not. Hi, I'm Emmanuel, and in just a few minutes, I'm going to show you how to turn your ordinary business into a fully automated profit system. And the best part? You can get started for free in my exclusive webinar class. Whether you're running a small shop, an online store, or even a service-based business, most entrepreneurs spend hours, even days working in their business instead of on it. But what if I told you there's a way to set up systems that bring in sales, manage clients, and grow your revenue automatically, while you focus on the things that matter most? Here's the reality. Most businesses fail because they rely entirely on the owner. But automated systems are the game changer. In my free webinar, I'll show you simple automation tools that handle sales and customer follow-ups, step-by-step strategies to turn everyday business tasks into automated income streams, how to scale your business without working 24/7. This isn't theory. These are proven methods that top entrepreneurs use to earn while they sleep. So here's your chance. Click the link below and reserve your spot in this free, no-fluff webinar. I'll guide you step by step to transform your business into a profit-making machine. Don't wait. The sooner you automate, the sooner you start earning on autopilot. Remember, money doesn't sleep. And now, neither does your business. Backend index pointing right, click the link in the description below right now to sign up for the free Profit Automation Masterclass with Dr. Charles Edrams. Seats are limited, and once they're filled, registration will close, so don't wait. Take one step today toward the future you deserve. Click the link in the description below now to watch the free webinar and secure your free spot now. Best of luck!